Hi guys, welcome back to Free Bytes Studio. Today I have got my hands on the Samsung Galaxy A7 Lite tablet. Its price has dropped significantly recently. That's why we brought this tablet to find out it's worth to spend our hard-earned money. Let's dive into the details and find out. First, the build quality. It looks premium. A sleek metal body with plastic covers at the top and bottom. Weighs around 370 grams, so it's not too heavy. And you better buy one tablet cover to keep it anywhere to watch your contents. Sporting a generous 8.7-inch LCD display, 1340 x 800 pixel screen, with this 360 nits of brightness, looks pretty good in most situations, guys. Minimum bezel, the visuals are impressive, vibrant colors, making it a delight for movies of browsing internet and YouTube lovers like you. Guys, please click the subscribe button if you are new to my channel. Taking a further tour around with the tablet, you will find a 3.5mm headphone jack, a Type-C charging port for both power and data transfer, a microphone and speaker at the bottom. This comes with a stereo speaker, one in the top, other one in the bottom. So the sounds are very awesome, guys. I will show you shortly. On the right side, there is a secondary noise cancellation, a power button and a volume rockers. While the left side, micro SD card slot for expanding storage up to 1 TB. This variant is Wi-Fi only, so no SIM card slot. But hold on, you can still make calls by connecting it to your phone. Just like those Ultra watches, it mimics your phone, handling calls, messages and more seamlessly. Here is what it gets interesting. Samsung Flow lets you effortlessly transfer content between your tablet, phone and PCs. It's like magic, guys. Especially handy, switch the watching videos one to other and live photo transfer, message transfer, etc.
Would you mind opening the window? Hurry up and get me out of here!
The edge panel is fully customizable, providing quick access to your frequently used applications. Multitasking is a breeze on this tablet, making it a convenient choice for you guys. Browsing the internet is generally smooth, guys, though you might encounter occasional lags if you open a multiple tablets at the same time and most has a lot of images, then you will have some lags, but it's getting the jobs done. Another one is Samsung Kids. Samsung Kids lets you shape a safe environment for your children to explore. Simply tap on the Samsung Kids in the quick panel and enjoy native apps with characters that live inside virtual world with the kids. Parental control lets you monitor usage and playtime so you can hand over the tablet with peace of mind. That is cool. Gaming with processor octa-core MediaTek MT8768T. This is an old chipset, but surprisingly it handles moderate games well with its 4GB RAM. But don't push this too far with high intensity games. Asphalt 8 runs smoothly. Some other games also we try here. It's fun playing games in the tablet, guys. No lags, no frame drops. We didn't find anything like that. So it's cool playing games with this tablet. Movies. When it comes to movies, this is awesome to watch movies with this tablet, guys. You can watch full HD content in the tablet. The Dolby Atmos sound is a great too. I was pleasantly surprised at how good a job this little tablet does of producing crisp, accurate sound. But vocal synths and other treble sounds come through nice and clear, guys. You can crank your tunes up pretty loud too. You will enjoy more when you connect your headphones or Bluetooth speakers. Now let's talk about battery. The 5100 mAh battery takes approximately 4 hours to charge with the included 7.5 volt adapter, but it supports 15 volt charge as well. You have to buy if you want to quicker top up. Running on Android 13 with Samsung One UI 5.1.1, this tablet ensures good connectivity with Bluetooth 5.0, and also you get 2 years of security batch updates and 2 years of Android updates. And also you will get a 2-month premium free YouTube subscription as well. Camera 8MP shooter, back camera with autofocus and able to shoot 1080p videos with 30 frames per second. So, and also it has some other options, hyperlapse, flow mode, kind of some additional filters also for the photo shoots. 2MP front camera, it's taking very average photos. It is useful for online classes, meetings, video calls, like basic needs. I share some of the photos taken from the tablet for you to judge the quality, guys.
I never meant to leave you hurting. I never meant to do the worst thing, not to you.
After spending a few weeks testing and using the A7 Lite, I can confidently tell you it's far from the best tablet. But it is quite a handy little device, guys. It's well worth your consideration if you need a capable Android tablet for not spending a lot of money. And in the numbers wise, when we see, originally it was priced on 160 in the year 2021 when it was launched, but now it is relaunched with $100 in 2023 with Android 13. So it's a deal, I think. So you can consider it's a thoughtful gift for your loved ones, kids, teenagers, elders, even yourself for moderate use. So what are you thinking about that? Is this tablet on your shopping list? Drop your comments below and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more exciting content. Until next time, happy browsing. Bye bye.